Hey everybody, how's it going? Tex and I are really excited to bring you guys our very first cooking tutorial. This will be the first of a 7-part series that we're making on how to make the perfect burger. Today's episode is all going to be about how to make the perfect caramelized onions. Those are going to be your spread on top. Next, we're going to move on to the buns, some of the other condiments, then eventually we're going to wrap up with the burger itself. Like I said, episode 1 is going to be caramelized onions. We're really excited, so let's dive on in. All right, guys, so we're here back in the kitchen. As you can see, I've got the ingredients that we will need to caramelize this onion. It's a super simple dish. All you need are these 3 ingredients. Chopsticks are optional. You can also use popsicle sticks if you prefer. The only other thing you'll need is a microwave. You don't even need a stove. Very first thing you're going to do is take these Werther's Originals, take them out of their package, about half the bag, put that into a bowl, and then get ready to microwave. So I'll see you guys once I've done that. All right. All right, as you guys can see, I've got my caramels all in my bowl, and I went ahead and added the heavy whipping cream. All you need is about half a cup or 18 tablespoons for you. And then you're gonna put them in the microwave on 30-second increments. Okay, every 30 seconds, you're gonna take them out, stir them a little bit until they're all melted. This is really important. You can burn the caramel, so you wanna be careful to watch it. If it starts bubbling a little bit too much, go ahead and just pull them out. Give them a little stir, and then make sure you mix in those chunks. Alrighty, we'll see you when you're done. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after just 2 30-second increments. I actually ended up using just a little bit too much of the heavy cream, and it made it just a little runny. So I'm just going to let that sit up for just a minute, and then I will get back to you with the onion. Alright, so here we have the onion. As you can see, I just went ahead and poked a chopstick through it. I went ahead and went with the chopstick. It's just what I had on hand. You don't need to peel it, don't need to take the sticker off or anything. Just go ahead and keep it as is. Mine, like I said, is just a little bit runny, so I might just do a little bit of a drizzle on top. But if yours is a good consistency, you can just dip it in, swirl it around, and then put it back on the plate to cool and rest. Leave it in the fridge for anywhere between 36 to 48 hours, and you can have yourself a caramelized onion. All right, I'll check in with you guys once we're done. Hey guys, so it's been 3 weeks. I was able to pull the onion out of the fridge. As you can see, it looks great. It looks delicious. Now, if you remember in the last part, I did say that mine was just a little runny. So that's why you can go ahead and see that some of the caramel did not stick to it. That is okay. There's still plenty on there. And as you can see, the caramel is plenty juicy to just dip and enjoy. So I hope this helped. I hope this helps make you the perfect caramelized onions for any of your recipes. Thank you guys. Bye. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching our tutorial on how to make caramelized onions. I know we kind of had 2 different variations of it, so we hope that you can at least get something out of either myself or Tex's perspective. But either way, we really hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you tomorrow for part 2. Thanks.